Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating error code ED on your higher freezer from 2025, you're in the right place. This error often signals issues like a defrost system problem or a faulty sensor, which can cause your freezer to stop working properly. Don't worry. I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could save you time and money. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your freezer before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Got it? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Check for obvious problems. Open the freezer door and inspect the seal around it. If it's damaged, dirty, or not closing properly, that could be triggering the error. Clean the seal with a mild soap and warm water, and make sure nothing is blocking the door. While you're at it, look inside for any ice buildup, which might indicate a defrost issue. If you see excessive frost, gently remove it with a hairdryer on a low setting, but never use sharp objects to avoid damaging the unit. Next, try resetting the freezer. Unplug it for about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Once it's powered up, check if the error code has disappeared. If it persists, move on to step 2. Examine the condenser coils at the back or bottom of the unit. Dust and debris can cause overheating, leading to errors. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to clean them thoroughly. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be a more complex problem like a defective sensor or wiring. In that case, it's time to contact a certified technician. Don't risk DIY repairs on electrical components. Remember, regular maintenance, like defrosting every few months and keeping the area around your freezer clean, can prevent this error from happening again. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to fix error code ED on your higher freezer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool.